Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RXMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice, not only price movement today, but then you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. I've done this one before, so that's where the green line down here is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this line. Sure, this level down here at 8 cents does still pertain to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. First area of support and what I would call the ideal level going forward now is right up there at 11 cents, meaning if the price can stay up above 11, that would be a massive sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 11, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that 11-cent mark, and so far so good, then that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture perspective, so this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, if you're somebody that's just saying, look, Clay, how do I gauge the health of the move? This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Again, watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the price movement, the bulls are in full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. The party stopped today right there shy of 13 cents. So you can call it 13, or if you want to get specific, looks like about 0.128. So 0.128, 13 cents, public enemy number one going into next week. But all in all, no doubt about it, great way to close out the week. And now it's just a question of, can the bulls continue to build upon the momentum like they've been for the past couple of weeks? Only time will tell, but very nice day, nice way to close out the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.